guys, welcome back to Jordan's, and today we're recording a YouTube video. Not really, just unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the AirBoom Nano 8. Enjoy pure sound. The advertising says, works with Google Play Assistant, Hey Siri, HD audio, when in 14 touch sensor, up to 4 hours playtime, up to 16 hours total playtime, up to 90 days standby time. Gaming mode up to 45 minutes. The side. Top, the side again, and the bottom. Well, specification that gives more of an idea if you want to read it there. Let's lift the box up. Yeah, it comes out like a. Yeah, when I got reviewed this product, it looked like AirPods but black. Look, the Black Pods Pro. Wow. Let's see what it comes with more. Cable. Okay. Oh, an ear tipped sizer. Bye bye and subscribe and like, guys. Udah.